Hi everybody, welcome to HobTech Cars. Today I'm going to show you how to remove the side skirts from your Toyota Celica Gen7 T23. That covers the years 1999 to 2006. This how-to guide is useful if you're planning on swapping your side skirts or if you want to just check for rust or corrosion under your Celica. The only things you need today as regards tools are a Phillips head screwdriver and a flathead screwdriver. If you have a plastic trim removal tool, as I will show in the video, I highly recommend using one. So starting off, towards the top of the car, you'll see there's a Phillips head screw under here that you can remove with your Phillips head screwdriver. And towards the rear of the car then, there are 7 plastic trim clips which you can remove using a flathead screwdriver or a plastic trim removal tool. This is a really nice feature from Toyota. I've worked on Toyotas before where these have been metal screws, and let's face it, after 10 or 15 years these are all rusted and they fall apart, so the fact that they're plastic clips makes taking the side skirt off this type of Celica really easy. Once you have those clips out, the side skirt should pull off if you just wiggle the side skirt and kind of pull it towards you and shimmy it left and right using maybe 70% of your body strength. The whole panel will just pop off. If you are replacing the side skirts, at this point I recommend just cleaning under the sill of the car, maybe spray painting it with some black rust proof sealant just to protect the metalwork on the car. And likewise, if you're reinstalling the same side skirts, just give them a clean, take the mud off them and dry them up so that you're not putting moisture back onto the body of the car. So that's really it. For the reinstall procedure, I recommend just doing the exact reverse of the steps that I've shown you here today. It only takes maybe 10 minutes to do remove and re-add on each side, so this is a quick job. The reason I had my side skirts off today actually was I wanted to test fit my TTE Toyota Team Europe Celica dynamic side skirts. So these were unique to the UK and EU market. I've decided that I am going to keep the car original as regards to body aesthetics, but I'm going to actually sell these side skirts for the region of about €125 if anybody watching is interested in these. Do let me know in the comments. Right, so that is it for today. Thanks for watching HobTech, and keep an eye for more Toyota MR2, Toyota Celica how-to guide videos coming in the next few weeks. Thanks a million, take care, bye bye.